Mu kaweefube okugoba obwavu mu ggwanga, gavumenti yaleetawo enteekateeka ez'enjawulo okumalawo ekizibu kino omuli n'enkola y'emyooga. Minisita wa Microfinance Haruna Kyeyune Kasolo bw'abadde alondoola enkola y'emyooga mu ttololo akalaatidde abali mu nteekateeka eno okwewala ate okugenda mu nkola ya PDM.
So those that are in a myooga, please be there. If a financial, we shall be sending you money. Leave also others to benefit, because you are not the only people in the district.
Okusinziira ku Minisita Kasolo, enkola ya PDM erina kusigala eri abo bokka abali mu by'obulimi ng'ate tebali mu nkola ya myooga.
PDM is for the 39% that have never touched money. Okay? Those people that whatever they earn is spent on feeding their stomach from hand to the.
Ono yakomekkereza olunaku lw'eggulo okulondoola enkola y'emyooga mu disitulikiti y'e Tororo.
Enjala gavumenti olutuwagira kubanga eri abamu abaali tebeesobola, eri naddala abakyala, eri abamu abaali benyigiriza mu mayumba.
I invested and I bought one motorcycle. Out of one motorcycle, I now have 3 motorcycles live.
Enabling our people to engage in enterprises that will enable each and every household to have an income to live below the poverty line.
Amyuka ladisi w'e Tororo Amula Albert ategeezezza ng'enkola bw'eyambyeko mu kukendeeza obumenyi bw'amateeka mu kitundu.
And all be attributed to the various poverty alleviation programs that government has put in place, especially this myooga, where someone is able to create wealth and someone is able to create a job. So in so doing, this can reduce on their idleness and they focus on their respective jobs.
It's very important that we patronize our myooga circles. We mobilize the internal resources, the savings, and add to the resources, the seed capital that the government gives us, so that we build our circles as community-based financial institutions that are able to serve the needs of all the members.
Minisita Kasolo era naye akubirizza abantu okwewala okudibudda sente.
Why do you have to lose your money really? Don't give, even if it is your brother. He wants support from you. He wants money. Don't give. You should only give if you have excess.